I'm fat.
I have to
Fighting
save
him.
my life for this moment.
Huh?
First 2 seconds. Look how megas. Papa, I did it this time. See, I used big brain strategy.
I think she's pregnant.
Guess what? I actually did my job right.
I can't believe it. Okay, don't.
Oh, तुम्हारा हाथ काटने की वो.
He has gloves.
Oh,
LeBron, I did my job right.
massive. Oh,
Heavy है.
she's heavy.
Don't kill it, okay?
She's so heavy. Okay,
Let me go catch one right now.
he's barely. Ah, he's biting my fingers. Ow, ow.
So तुम्हारा hook is out.
Hooked up.
Okay, अब इस छोड़ दो इसको वरना मर जाएगा.
Can you take this out my thing?
Clap it.
Get the weight. Get the weight.
Wait, what wait?
The leader. The yellow thing. The yellow thing.
मरेगी इधर देना जुरान तू मारेगा उसको. She's almost dead.
Take it out. Take it out.
Bro.
Okay, turn it off.
Let go.
Let me see.
Let it go. What?
Yeah, now it's fine.
0.
No, 50.
He's not dead. 2.3. Okay. Let's take a photo. A really
I
good
told you there was pink. I
Oi,
told you.
oi, stay back.
photo. A very good photo of the fish. Of the fish, Papa. You have to take a good photo.
LeBron, I think it's dead.
It's not dead, Daniel.
Okay.
Okay, take a photo of this too.
Yeah. Done.
LeBron,
Okay.
can I ask you something?
I can't believe it. What?
Could you tie me a uni knot?
I love you, fish. You're the best person in the life. Okay.
चल अब छोड़ दो. दूर फेंकना गहरे पानी में यहाँ नहीं फेंकना. Shallow में नहीं.
Okay, record this.
Yeah.
Biggest fish in history of mankind.
What?
She's alive!
I'm just praying that they will.
क्या हुआ?
I prayed every night to catch that thing.
तो तूने catch तो कर ली?
I wanted to catch it.
This is the same thing. This is not good. You're not doing teamwork, Daniel.
We literally did teamwork. I was holding it.
Yeah. Basically, you catch it.
Right when I hooked onto it, I said Bismillah.
Yeah, that's good.
No, you did
I
not.
swear on my life. That's why I let the drag loose. Let's catch another one.
तो ये तो बहुत बड़ी मच्छी थी यार.
Oh my god. It was 2 pounds.
2 pounds से ज़्यादा थी.
Yeah, a lot more. 2.3. That thing doesn't look much.
I heard your noise. I thought you catch
Papa,
something.
I handled that thing so well. I didn't pull him up because I knew he would break my line.
I hope.
I can't believe you did it though.
क्या उसने hot dog खाया?
Yeah, hot dog. I hope put
तो इसका मतलब hot dog खाती है.
Yes, I do.
She don't like my hot dog last time.
Oh my god, I dreamed every day of that.
पक्का वो देखना babies वाली मच्छी है. इसका tummy बहुत बड़ा है.
Papa, I saw so many baby fish in the water.
और धनी तो carefully जाकर नीचे ऐसे खड़ा हुआ था वहाँ. नीचे चेक किया था ग्रास में. Always
Papa,
look.
he was waiting for me because I couldn't just pull the fish because it was too risky. The hook came right out of his mouth.
I think it's a smart decision.
Really smart.
He waited for the chance and he threw to let me grab the line and all.
We still didn't touch the fish though.
I pulled it in and Papa carried it.
Papa, it felt heavy, right?
Very heavy.
Very heavy.
You bite किया उसने?
Yeah, he bit me twice, but it didn't hurt because of my gloves. I knew I. But I handled it. Oh, what's it? It's a small one.
She's not baby.
Yeah, it's actually size we caught.
धनी कपड़े पे नहीं डालना क्या को?
It's not as big as the one we caught at Blackwood. It's not as big as the one we caught at Russian. This one's pretty big too. I can't believe it. I saw it recently.
तो white है पूरी.
Shiny.
And clean. Small नहीं है.
This is
काफी बड़ी है.
It's a big one. Oh wow.
कपड़ों से दूर रखो.
What is bleeding?
No, it's
Bleeding?
not. Look, over there.
Oh yeah. Hopeful I guess.
That's not blood. Remember at the Blackwood one? At Pimples? Yeah, it's Pimples. This
बहुत
one.
dangerous तो नहीं है ना ये?
The poisonous one.
No.
Are you sure?
Oh, this is slimy. Very slimy.
Where's the gloves?
get it.
You're gonna have to hold it down.
Yeah, I'm gonna get like that. You got really good.
Hey, Javon. Up to the operation table.
Yeah, try to take it off. Okay, I got gloves. I don't want to get
See
sprayed.
how good I am at getting the switch off?
Oh, hey. Stop, Nick.
Dangling himself. Instantly when you get it out, throw it back in.
Careful, slowly. Hurt नहीं करना उसको.
What are you doing?
Okay, he's almost out.
Oh, this one looks pretty bad.
Really bad.
पानी में छोड़ दो थोड़ी देर. उसको ब्रेक कर देना पहले.
Okay, yeah,
वरना वो मर
I
जाएगा.
got it. I have one. Guess what? Oh, this came.
Yeah? हुक नहीं आया.
Oh,
हुक किसने नहीं? Okay, ये पकड़ो. Let me do it. मर जाएगी वरना वो जल्दी.
Is it almost out?
Jabran.
Hmm?
Can I try?
yeah, he chomped down.
नीचे रख दो. Give me one glove. जल्दी से. Go there.
It's dying.
No.
Someone's coming.
Who's coming?
It's cracking.
इसकी आई बंद हो गई इसकी.
Oh, no.
No.
It's so deep.
Right there. I see the hook.
We can all see the hook. Oh, so close. Wait. The barbell's on.
So smooth.
You did it. Okay.
Here.
He's biting me.
जल्दी से फेंक दे. Fast.
Ah. Here, let me take a picture.
No picture time.
Please.
She's dying now.
Take a picture.
Very picture ले जल्दी.
That's number 2 biggest fish in the world. Number 2. I knew I could do it. This is the
Release drag. Papa, I couldn't do this. It's not my own. I have that.
It's a big one.
Bigger. This one's bigger.
Papa, this one's huge. Okay, get the weight.
Yeah, that thing is bigger. Definitely. There's no doubt that thing is bigger.
That thing is huge. Papa, take a photo of this. Take a photo of this right now. Please. Right there. My rod
Oh,
and the
she's
fish.
too big.
It's too big.
This pond isn't fun.
It isn't fast. It was mega size fish. Come on, please take a photo of this. We got our stringer. Wait, no, put the rod in. Papa,
Yeah,
already
तुम
take
अपना
it.
break कर लेना.
You took a photo, right?
Yeah.
No way.
I'm a genius.
These fish are
पहले
biased.
0 पे करो उसको.
How?
Just let it go.
Yeah, now it's 0.
There's no way. It's only 1 pound.
It's 1 pound.
This thing's broken. It's broken.
That one got accurate.
Take it out.
No, show it to Carl's house. Show it to Carl's house.
Take it out. Call Carl's house. Call
No, call Carl's house. Call Carl's house.
No, he will not bite.
He's
No,
not buying it.
call
You
him.
remember he said it's a mutant fish, right?
We can just call
Just
him.
call him and show him. Please.
Please, Papa.
Just show him.
Papa, he just hooked on the whisker. He's hooked on the whisker.
Wow.
Papa, please.
She will bite you.
Can you
Careful.
call him?
क्या करेगा?
Please, just call him, Papa.
Okay, I will call.
Right now. How do you turn it off?
It's very big.
Oh my God,
How do you turn
number
it off?
2.
Huh?
Talk about
अपने
doubling
आप
up.
off हो जाएगी.
Talk about doubling.
Bro, these fish are full of bias.
What do you buy?
Don, you didn't catch
That
that.
same fish saw my bait twice and
It's
just
tactics, Daniel. It's my genius brain.
It's genius,
saw my
man.
bait twice. Literally twice. And the
Ow! And the thing
didn't even go for it. When he sees to run.
Do whatever you want to do first. मर ना जाए वो.
Oh, he's breaking my finger. Oh.
इधर आयो, this way.
Ooh. Ah.
Papa, call Papa. Call.
रुक जा जिब्रान.